So guys, what have we got here? Well, bit of an impulse buy, guys. It's 1995 Guzzi California 1100, and one owner from new, bought in Italy in 1995, full paper trail. The bike went from Italy after the Italian owner lived in Italy for a while, then he moved to the UK, took the bike to the UK, it was registered in the UK, and eventually moved out to Spain and registered it here in Spain. So it's got a good paper trail, it's got a full history, it's getting on for 30 years old, and it's got 30,000 kilometres on the clock, so it's done about 1,000 kilometres a year, in very nice condition. I just need to give it a full service and change the brake fluid, brake pads, oil, and the other fluids, the rear drive fluid and the gearbox fluid and the pads. But yeah guys, well, me and my wife are just out on a ride shortly. It's a strange overcast day here, but very muggy and humid, a bit nicer for riding. So we're going to meet a group we normally meet up for lunch while I'm still off in August before we get back in September, and they don't know anything about the bike. Normally we'd ride out on either the Voge or the Super Meteor. They have a Super Meteor 650 but the touring version, so we're going to go out and meet them and see what their reaction is when they see it when we pull up. Of course they're not going to recognise it straight away unless they recognise the helmets and the jackets, and it should be interesting. One thing I'm probably going to do with this is put some leather panniers on the back and take the top box off when I'm not using it. It is a genuine Guzzi top box. Yeah, so all in all, she's pretty fine condition. Engine looks good. The rims on the wheels are amazing, guys. Brakes are a little bit spongy. I'm guessing that the fluid's not been changed for a long time. There seems to be a bit of meat on the pads, but I'll get them sorted. So we'll just have a steady toodle today. I think we're doing about 100 kilometres, 120 kilometres in a circuit around the mountains. And I'll film some of it and probably film the reaction of our friends when we roll up. So I'll catch you later on this video, guys. Let me know what you think. It's a big departure from my other bikes. Well, it is and it isn't. I mean, the Super Meteor is supposed to be classed as a cruiser, but not in the same vein as this. Quite strange when you sat on it, guys. You've not got a cruiser stance when you sat on it, although you've got the footboards and the heel and toe shift. Your legs are almost at a normal seating position, a right hand position. You're not got your feet out in front of you, and very relaxed. It's like riding a sofa. It's probably one of the comfiest seats me or my wife has sat on. So I'll catch you later in the video, guys.